Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You power the phone off now, remove the SIM and any SD card so no data corruption occurs. Use an ESD strap to prevent static damage because circuits are sensitive. Once grounded, pry gently at the seam with a suction cup and spudger to lift the rear or screen, start where clips are weakest. Keep screws organized by size, different lengths matter for reassembly. This first step exposes internals safely, and it prevents surprises later when you reach the display connectors. You disconnect the battery first to avoid shorting components. That's crucial. Next, remove any metal brackets shielding the display and digitizer connectors because you need clear access. Heat the screen edges to 80 degrees 90 degrees C for 1 to 2 minutes to soften adhesive. Do not overheat. Once pliable, slide a thin pick between glass and frame and work slowly around the perimeter. Patience prevents frame bending. After the glass lifts, detach the display flex cables gently, noting their orientations for reassembly. You align the new display, making sure flex cables sit in their sockets before you lock any brackets, because misalignment causes no-touch issues. Once connected, reconnect the battery and power the phone on to test the LCD and touch response. Do this before sealing to save time if something is wrong. If good, power off, clean mating surfaces, and apply fresh adhesive or 3M foam strips. Press and clamp briefly. If touch fails, recheck connector seating and look for torn flex or debris.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.